Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready to unlock the secrets of getting fit without a gym.
We're diving deep into home workouts today.
And so many people think you need all this fancy equipment or a dedicated space to get a good workout in.
But we're gonna bust that myth wide open using some pretty fascinating research.
Yeah, the stuff we dug into for this deep dive, it's really eye-opening. So get ready, folks, because we're about to change your whole perspective on home workouts.
A lot of people think home workout, it's just like, air punches and jumping jacks.
Right, like not a real workout.
Yeah, exactly. But actually, the source material emphasizes how effective bodyweight training can be. Like, seriously effective.
Yeah. And they even went into the science of it, like how these compound movements, things like squats and push-ups, they engage multiple muscle groups all at once.
Exactly. It's like a full body workout packed into a single exercise.
It's so efficient. Like, take the push-up, right? I mean, everybody knows the push-up.
Oh, yeah, classic.
But it's not just your arms.
Oh, no. You've got your chest working, triceps, shoulders.
And even your core is getting in on the action.
Absolutely. It's engaging everything. And the great thing is, you can modify it to fit any fitness level.
That's what's so cool about home workouts. They're super customizable.
Yeah.
The source material even gave us a sample beginner routine. It only takes 15 minutes?
Yeah. And no equipment needed. They included squats, lunges, planks.
Modified push-ups for those who are just starting out.
Perfect for easing in.
And I know what you're thinking. Hold on, I live in a tiny apartment. Where am I supposed to work out?
The space issue.
But even that, guess what? It's not a deal breaker.
The source actually encourages you to get creative with your space, like a sturdy chair.
Oh, yeah.
That's your new platform for tricep dips or incline push-ups.
That is so smart. It's all about thinking outside the box and making your environment work for you.
Exactly. And beyond the, obvious physical benefits,
Right.
home workouts have some amazing mental and emotional perks too.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, think about it. You're cutting out the commute to the gym.
Right.
That's already a huge time saver, not to mention stress reducer.
It's true. No more battling traffic or fighting for a parking spot.
And you're in control of your environment. You pick the music, the pace, the temperature.
It's like creating your own personal fitness sanctuary.
Yeah, exactly. And the source even highlighted studies showing how exercising at home can reduce stress levels and boost mood and self-esteem.
It just makes sense. You're ditching the hassle, saving time, and working out in a space where you feel comfortable and confident.
Okay, but what about the social aspect of the gym? Some people really thrive on that energy of group classes or having a workout buddy. I could see how some people might miss that at home.
Yeah, that's a great point. And the source did touch on that. It emphasized that finding creative ways to incorporate social elements into your home workouts can be helpful.
So like what? Virtual fitness classes?
Yeah, exactly. There are tons of online fitness communities and apps that offer live or on-demand classes. You could also just video chat with a friend while you both do your own workouts at home.
Oh, I like that.
It's like a virtual workout buddy system.
Keeps you motivated.
Yeah. And accountable too.
So ultimately, it's all about finding what works for you and your lifestyle. There's no right or wrong way to approach home workouts.
Couldn't agree more. It's about making it personal.
The bottom line is that home workouts are effective, like really effective.
They're accessible, customizable,
and a fantastic way to achieve your fitness goals no matter what they are.
And remember, no gym membership required.
So, to all our listeners out there, don't let anything hold you back. Are you ready to take action and put this knowledge to work?
We hope so.
I challenge you to pick just one bodyweight exercise from the source material and try it out this week.
Could be squats, lunges, planks, even just a few sets of jumping jacks.
Just a few minutes each day. And pay attention to how it makes you feel, both physically and mentally. You might just surprise yourself with how much you enjoy working out right in your own home.
Who knows? You might even ditch that gym membership for good.
Thanks for joining us for another deep dive. See you next time.
See ya.
Hey everyone.